right? The steps for math induction, it's only 2 steps. The first step is show the formula works for n equals 1. Right? Just anchor it. Make sure it works for one number that you can obviously check. Right. The meat of the method, though, is the second step. In the second step, you show that if you assume it works for one number, some unspecified number, that it must work for the next number. Right? Normally, the way we write it, assume that it works for n equals k, where k is a constant, a countable number. Show that that means it must work for k plus 1. Right? So if it works, sk works, then sk plus 1 must also work. But if you do that, that means since you already showed it works for 1, then it must work for 2. And if it works for 2, it must work for 3. And if it works for 3, it must work for 4, and so on to infinity. So it works for all values of n. Kind of like dominoes, right? You've got them all set up so that if one falls down, the next one has to fall down. And all you got to do is set that first one going, and the whole run is going to fall. That is the theory of, or the method of math induction. Show it works for one number, and then show that if by proving it works for one number means it works for the next number.